Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So today I want to do a short video. I have this nail set and it's got a couple things wrong with it. It's the tip is just broken, so I'm going to have to reprofile the end of it, and also it's bent. You know, last video I had a lot of fun working on the press. It kind of got good to me, so I think I want to do that some more. And let's see if we can straighten it and clean it up and just make it look better. You know, easy. I hope. Okay, here's where we're at. I put this thing in the press 3 times, and I think I went too far one time, and then I kind of, anyway, it now it looks kind of like an S. Kind of, I think I'm going to clean it up a little better, and then take another look at it. I might decide then to put it in the press one more time. No, I'm gonna put it in the press right now. It needs it. Okay, I'm not done yet. I can bend it back. Well, that turned out pretty good. You know, the bend in this in the front end of this punch had a little dent at the bottom of it. And I'm glad I grinded that out. You know, it was a good experiment. I didn't get the bend out completely. There's still a little bit there, but after that, after the wood thing broke, I didn't want to push it any farther. But I made it shiny, and this is totally something I'll use. I'm going to keep it right here on the shelf, and I'll probably use it a lot. So anyway, hey, thank you very much for watching. Appreciate it. We'll see you next time.